In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a comment on Facebook using Meta Business Suite. If you manage a Facebook page through Meta Business Suite, this is a simple way to respond to comments without needing to jump back and forth between different tabs. Everything happens inside the inbox area, which helps keep your page activity organized and easy to manage. To begin, open Meta Business Suite and go to the inbox section. This is where you can view and manage conversations, messages, and engagement from your connected accounts. If you handle multiple types of communication in one place, the inbox is especially useful because it centralizes everything for you. Once you're inside the inbox, look for the Facebook comments section and click on it. This will filter your view so you can focus specifically on comments made on your Facebook content. That makes it easier to find the post interaction you want to respond to, especially if your inbox also contains direct messages or activity from other platforms. After selecting Facebook comments, choose the comment thread or post interaction where you want to reply. Then click into the reply field and start typing your comment. Take a moment to make sure your message is clear, professional, and appropriate for your audience before sending it. If you're replying on behalf of a business page, it's a good idea to keep your tone friendly and helpful. When your comment is ready, press enter on your keyboard to submit it. That will publish your comment directly from Meta Business Suite. Once it's sent, your response should appear in the thread so you can confirm that it posted successfully. A quick tip here: before pressing enter, double check your wording for spelling, clarity, and tone, since comments on Facebook are public and visible to others. If you're responding to a customer or follower, a thoughtful reply can help build trust and improve engagement on your page. And that's all it takes. You open the inbox, switch to Facebook comments, type your response, and press enter to post it. It's a very straightforward process, but knowing where to go inside Meta Business Suite can save time and make community management much smoother. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you feel more confident about replying to Facebook comments through Meta Business Suite.